Toyota Yaris repair cost. Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquartered in Toyota City, Aichi, Japan. It was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda and incorporated on August 28, 1937. Toyota is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world, producing about 10 million vehicles per year. The 2020 Toyota Yaris offers a lot more than you might expect from a budget-priced car. Available in hatchback and sedan body styles, this accomplished subcompact boasts the kind of exceptional fuel economy that can save you money over the long haul. Its suspension is tuned to facilitate driver engagement. And while it isn't the quickest at the track, it feels capable in everyday driving. On a less positive note, this Toyota offers fewer driver assistance features than some rivals. Still, it all adds up to a value proposition that's extremely compelling for shoppers who have their sights set on a small car that's economically priced. Servicing a Toyota Yaris involves regular maintenance to keep the vehicle in optimal condition and address potential issues. Here are some general service recommendations for the Toyota Yaris. Routine maintenance. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter according to the manufacturer's recommended intervals. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off fluids, including engine coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and replace tires when they are worn. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at recommended intervals to maintain optimal engine performance. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended interval for your specific Yaris model. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion and check its charge. Replace the battery if needed. Periodic inspections. Suspension system check. Inspect the suspension components for wear and damage. Replace shocks and struts as needed. Exhaust system inspection. Check the exhaust system for leaks, damage, or excessive rust. Address any issues promptly. Timing belt replacement. If your Yaris is equipped with a timing belt, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement. Manufacturer recommendations. Always refer to the owner's manual for your specific Toyota Yaris model and follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. This schedule typically outlines specific maintenance tasks and intervals. Professional servicing. While some maintenance tasks can be done by car owners, it's advisable to have more complex tasks and inspections performed by qualified professionals at authorized Toyota service centers or reputable auto repair shops. They have the expertise and tools to ensure that the work is done correctly. Regular and proactive maintenance can extend the life of your Toyota Yaris and help prevent more costly repairs down the road. Always consult your owner's manual. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations, and seek professional advice when needed.